Hello readers, this is Abhishek from Technics Media. Today we are going to review wireless charging solution for iPhone 4. We have got this power mat. This particular power mat solution is pretty much good as per our review till now. As per the usage, it is very good to charge your iPhone 4 in a quick way. It actually removes all those problems of charging your iPhone 4 while by plugging a cable into it. Says the box. We have already unboxed all the accessories which came in this box, so we are going to give you a detailed review how this particular wireless charging solution for iPhone 4 works. Here is the power mat, which is actually the base over which you put your iPhone 4 after putting it into a case. Wireless charging power mat works on a block of magnetic induction, so it charges your iPhone by flowing a current with the help of the principle of magnetic induction. This is the power mat. Here is the adapter. This adapter you need to plug in into the power port and then plug this wire into the power mat like this. You need to put your iPhone 4, here we have our iPhone 4, into the power mat case which comes with this wireless charging solution, this one. You need to put your iPhone 4 into this power mat case which comes with the solution like this. It will very easily slide in, okay, and then you need to lock it. So here you can see the flexible part of the case which actually fits into the iPhone 4. It will actually give you a sound of click. That means your iPhone is logged into the case. Once your iPhone isn't in the case, you can put the case on the power mat and then you can see the charging to start. You just need to put your iPhone 4 into this case and then put this case over this power mat and it will quickly start charging. So that's it. And another thing which I would like to mention here is you can use a micro USB cable after using this case to charge your iPhone as well as to sync your iPhone 4, because this case actually comes with a micro USB port at the bottom. So you can use any micro USB cable which you have on your home to actually sync the data to the iPhone, connect it to your computer and then sync the data seamlessly through this cable with iTunes. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. I hope you like the video.